Did you know that rosemary has been used for thousands of years to boost memory, ward off evil spirits, and even spice up your meals? Today we're diving into this incredible herb that's much more than just a kitchen staple. From ancient rituals to modern health benefits, rosemary has earned its place as a true powerhouse herb. So, if you're ready to unlock its secrets, sit back, relax, and let's explore the many ways rosemary can transform your life. Rosemary, or Rosmarinus officinalis, is an evergreen shrub that has been cherished for centuries. Native to the Mediterranean, this woody herb is instantly recognizable by its needle-like leaves and aromatic scent. You might already know it from your kitchen, where it adds a unique flavor to dishes, but rosemary is much more than a culinary herb. The history of rosemary dates back to ancient civilizations. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all had a deep respect for rosemary. The Greeks used it to enhance memory and cognitive function. No surprise, considering rosemary's ancient reputation as a symbol of remembrance. In fact, it was often seen in wedding ceremonies and placed on graves as a way to honor loved ones. Fast forward to the 16th century, and rosemary was believed to help ward off evil spirits. It's amazing how this herb has stood the test of time, proving its worth in both folklore and science. Now let's talk about what makes rosemary so powerful. Rosemary is packed with bioactive compounds, including antioxidants, essential oils like cineole, camphor, and rosmarinic acid, which give it its distinct aroma and therapeutic properties. The essential oils in rosemary are incredibly potent, and that's why it's such a go-to herb for medicinal and culinary purposes. Let's get to the good stuff, why you should consider adding rosemary to your daily routine. First, let's talk brain power. Rosemary has been shown to improve memory and concentration, and it's even believed that the scent of rosemary can enhance cognitive function. So the next time you're studying or working on a big project, consider keeping a sprig of rosemary nearby. But that's not all. Rosemary also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it fantastic for supporting your immune system and fighting off oxidative stress. It's an herb that fights free radicals, those nasty molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. If you're struggling with digestive issues, rosemary can help there too. It's been used for centuries as a remedy for indigestion, bloating, and even nausea. It stimulates bile production, which helps break down fats and aids digestion. If you're feeling sluggish after a heavy meal, a cup of rosemary tea might be just what you need. And don't forget about rosemary's calming effects on the body. This herb is known for its ability to relieve stress and anxiety. Rosemary tea is a great way to unwind after a busy day, helping you to relax and de-stress. Of course, rosemary isn't just for your medicine cabinet. This herb is a superstar in the kitchen. Its robust, piney flavor pairs perfectly with roasted meats, potatoes, and vegetables. You can infuse olive oil with rosemary, use it in marinades, or even sprinkle it on bread for a burst of flavor. One of my favorite ways to use rosemary is in roasted potatoes. Just toss them with a little olive oil, salt, pepper, and a few sprigs of rosemary. Simple, but delicious. And if you're ready to experience the full benefits of rosemary, let's talk about how to make rosemary tea. It's super simple. First, boil about 1 cup of water. Then add 1 to 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary or 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you like it. Strain, and if you'd like, add a bit of honey or lemon for a little extra flavor. Enjoy this tea, hot or cold, but be sure to sip it when you need that extra mental clarity, digestive help, or simply want to unwind. Before we wrap up, here are a few fun facts about rosemary that might surprise you. First, rosemary's name comes from the Latin Rosmarinus, which means dew of the sea. This is a nod to its origins along the Mediterranean coast, where it thrives in the salty air and dry climate. Did you know that rosemary has a natural preservative effect? It's often used to help extend the shelf life of meat, thanks to its antibacterial properties. It's like nature's very own preservative. In some cultures, rosemary is used in a ritual bath to help boost energy and rejuvenate the skin. Imagine soaking in a rosemary-infused bath after a long day. It's like a spa experience at home. So there you have it. Rosemary is not just a kitchen herb, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Whether you're using it to improve memory, fight inflammation, or simply elevate your meals, rosemary has something special to offer. Don't forget to try making some rosemary tea and reap the benefits of this incredible herb. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep exploring the world of herbs, and I'll see you in the next video.